Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enhance your pictures on the AirBrush application, meaning that you can sharpen it, select or adjust saturation, highlights and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera icon or to the library icon to select a picture from your gallery. Click on the Tools button, which is the third option down below. Slide to the right side of the screen until you find the Enhance icon and tap on it. Here, as you can see, you have many options such as contrast. So here, if you use the scale in the middle, you can see how the contrast of your picture changes. You can also sharpen it, select the saturation, highlights, the shadows, brightness, temperature, fade and grain. And if you want to remove the effect that you have just applied from desired areas, all you have to do is clicking on this eraser button in the right side of the screen and just simply brush over those areas that you want to remove the effect from that area. And if you want to reapply it, tap on the brush icon, and if you brush over that area, you can see that the filter will be reapplied. So feel free to use these functions, erase the effect from relevant parts, and if you are done with your result, or if you are done with the editing process, click on the checkmark icon down below to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.